In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add task duration in Smartsheet. Let's get started right inside your sheet. Open the sheet where you're tracking your tasks and look across the top where your columns are laid out. Move all the way to the far right, past your existing columns, and you'll see a small plus sign. This is the shortcut for adding a new column. Click that plus sign and a small menu will pop open with different column types you can create. From that menu, choose duration. Selecting duration tells Smartsheet that this column will hold time-based values for your tasks, like how long something should take. As soon as you choose duration, you'll be prompted to give the column a name. Type a clear, descriptive name. Something like duration or task duration works well, so that anyone looking at the sheet immediately understands what this column is for. When you're happy with the name, click Save to add the new column to your sheet. Now you're ready to enter values. Click into any cell in your new duration column and type a number, such as 1, 3, or 10. As soon as you press Enter, Smartsheet will automatically append the letter D to that number. That D stands for days. So if you type 5 and hit Enter, you'll see 5D, which tells you the task is planned for 5 days. This happens automatically for every value you add in that column, making it easy to scan your schedule and understand timing at a glance. If your task needs part of a day, you can enter a decimal, like 0.5 for half a day, and Smartsheet will still show it with the D to indicate days. Keep your duration entries consistent and avoid mixing different formats in the same sheet so your timeline remains clear and easy to manage. A quick tip: naming the column clearly and placing it near your task name or date columns can make your sheet much easier to navigate, especially if you're collaborating with others. If you ever need to adjust the column name later, you can edit it without affecting your existing values. That's all there is to it. By adding a duration column and entering your numbers, Smartsheet takes care of the formatting and clearly labels each value in days, so you can focus on planning and tracking your work with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.